Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a 2014 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Under the hood is a 3.5 V6 pushing out 248 horsepower and 251 pounds of torque. This one is equipped with the sports body styling, which is going to give you the Avant-Garde sports package, the AMG Sportline, and sport suspension. For our wheels, we have 17-inch 5 twin spoke wheels. Tires are in good condition. Inside we've got a black MB-Tex interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we've got a fresh set of all-season floor mats. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you heated seats, navigation. Over here we've got memory seats, power windows, Harman Kardon sound system. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. There's our navigation. Start it up. We've got our radio. Included in the Premium package is heated seats, dual climate controls, our automatic transmission. This vehicle has 87,449 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this C300, check out feldmanimports.com.